Are you looking for the best foam cannon? In this video we will look at some of the best foam cannon on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MJJC Foam Cannon. MJJC Foam Cannon SV3.0 is newly released. Equipped with thicker snow foam technology, it makes an even thicker, creamy foam like shaving foam. 1,300 pounds per square inch to 3,600 pounds per square inch. Please use different orifice nozzles depending on the pressure performance of the high pressure cleaner. The higher the pressure, the larger diameter orifice nozzle required. 1.25 mm orifice nozzle, 1,600 to 2,200 pounds per square inch, is pre-connected to the main body. If the pressure of the high pressure cleaner is 1,300 to 1,600 pounds per square inch, replace the nozzle with the included 1.1 mm orifice nozzle. If using with the high pressure cleaner at 2,200 pounds per square inch or higher, replace with a 1.35 mm or larger orifice nozzle. Number 2. Hydro Wide Mouth PF22 Foam Cannon. Includes SG28 spray gun, MTM PF22.2 foam cannon for pressure washer, plug adapters, and fittings. Ideal pressure washer foam cannon for home or professional foam car washington. Attaches to pressure washer. The car wash foam cannon attaches to your pressure washer with one of the included fittings. This car wash foam cannon and trigger gun kit provides a PSI range of 1,100 to 5,000. The foam cannon and trigger gun kit is the ideal car foam cannon for the cleaning of vehicles, boats, pole barn siding, houses, fences, sidewalks, and roofs. Max GPM consists of 1.45.3, max temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The MTM Hydro Foam Cannon comes with a chemical injection knob to increase or decrease foam output. Create thicker, denser foam for deeper cleaning to remove dirt and grime with this pressure washer foam cannon. Number 3. Slick Products Off-Road Wash Foam Cannon. This Slick Products off-road vehicle wash bundle is perfect for your dirt bike, quad, off-road truck, Jeep, or any other vehicle that hits the mud. Includes a half gallon of our concentrated off-road wash and our easy-to-use pressure washer foam cannon which quickly attaches to most pressure washer ones that have the 1/4 quick connect adapter on the end. Simply fill the foam container with water. Add about 2-4 ounces of the soap and start washing. Specially formulated to quickly penetrate heavy dirt and mud without stripping lubrication from bearings or pivot points. Safely applies to aluminium, anodized parts, plastic, rubber, and more without etching, fading, or discoloring surfaces. This super concentrated solution must be diluted prior to use. Makes up to 8 gallons. Number 4. 1000 ml Snow Foam Cannon. Connect with pressure washer. Heavy-duty solid brass foam core to create dense and thick foam. Durable use, no leak and longer working life to save money and time. 3000 psi pressure is very effective when you need to remove ingrained dirt. Great choice for car washing and cleaning. Full metal internal parts for stable water output to make cleaning easily. Meet your needs in different situations, such as watering flowers and plants, car or motorcycle washing, home cleaning. And 2 adjustments to dial in the sprayer for any situation. Top dial is for foam dispensing amount and the nozzle adjusts the spray pattern. Number 5. 1 liter foam cannon Snow Foam Lance. Pressure range, 70 bar 280 bar, 1,000 pounds per square inch 4,000 pounds per square inch. Both home use and professional pressure washers work perfectly. Foaming performance, plentiful, thick and high dense foam, heavy duty and durable design, resistant to chemicals, adjustable spray pattern, vertical or horizontal, variable spray angle from pencil 0 degrees to fan 60 degrees. The regulating knob on top allows you to adjust the water to soap ratio, which enables you to increase or decrease the thickness of the foam spray.